How to fix Samsung menu button not working problem. So if for some reason the button which stands for the menu for opening your recents, this one with 3 lines on the bottom is not working, I'm going to show you how you can fix that with the help of several ways. Let's get started. So firstly, open up your settings and then scroll down until you can access General tab, General Management, and click on that. After that, what we're going to do is we're going to find the option for reset. But don't worry, we'll not delete any data, we'll just reset settings. So just scroll down until you can see option reset all settings. This includes security settings, language, accounts, personal data, and settings for downloaded apps. So tap on that option and you will be prompted to enter your current PIN code. Just enter it, tap continue, and your settings will be reset, and after that just go back to the home screen and check if this button with 3 lines is now working, also the home button and back buttons. If it didn't resolve the problem, then what else we can do is we can access settings once again, scroll down till display, and from here choose navigation bar. So you're gonna make sure that buttons option is selected, and a little trick we can make is go in more options and change the button order. So sometimes just simple button order changing can resolve this issue because it will just like a little reset the buttons. So you can switch to the second option to reset your order and then try out the buttons once again. And after that, you can just go back to the same order to like reset the buttons. And also you can consider to switch to swipe gestures because we got this line. Now we cannot see any buttons. We just see this line. To open recents, just swipe up till the middle and hold your finger. To go to the home screen, swipe up quickly. And to go back, you need to swipe from the left side, from the left edge of your screen to the right side, or from the right edge to the left side. So like swipe inwards the screen just like that.